Welcome to another exciting episode where we unravel the intricacies of procurement and maintenance and facility management. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we'll be laying out 7 common procurement pitfalls. We'll also arm you with the knowledge to dodge these mistakes, helping you to streamline your operations and save money. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or a novice, stick around to gain insights that could be crucial to your success. Starting off with our first major mistake, dealing with inaccurate material information. Imagine the confusion when different plants describe the same materials in various ways, or when suppliers and internal records don't match up, especially with units of measure. For instance, a plant might use bolts individually, but suppliers sell them in packs of 24. Price discrepancies and obsolete products add another layer of complexity. The solution? Take control of your data. Keep your equipment bill of materials accurate and up to date to minimize errors and ensure you're working with reliable information. Next, we address the second point, lacking negotiation with suppliers. Unlike personal shopping, large-scale procurement often has room for negotiation. Keeping open communication lines with suppliers can lead to mutually beneficial deals, especially in uncertain times. Use your usage forecasts to secure favorable terms, ensuring both parties benefit. The third mistake is failing to see the bigger picture. It's easy to be tempted by low prices, but remember, cheap can come with hidden costs in terms of service and quality. Think long-term about your procurement deals. Consider the entire lifespan of the agreement and the overall impact on your operations. We move on to the fourth mistake, not making the best use of technology. In an age where technology offers sophisticated solutions, sticking to outdated methods or completely rejecting new options can hinder your efficiency. Engage with your providers, understand the functionalities of your systems, and be open to new possibilities that can streamline your procurement process. Our fifth point discusses the risks of choosing low quality for lower cost. Opting for the cheapest option might save money up front, but can lead to greater expenses down the line due to increased maintenance needs and potential safety hazards. It's crucial to understand the full scope of what you're purchasing and consider the long-term implications of your choices. The sixth mistake is downgrading specifications without proper review and approval. This can happen when trying to cut costs or when suppliers offer alternatives that might not meet your original specifications. Establish a thorough review process to ensure all materials meet safety and operational standards before making any changes. Lastly, poor documentation can severely disrupt procurement processes. Inaccurate or incomplete records can make it impossible to find necessary parts when they're needed most. Ensure your inventory records are detailed and searchable to avoid costly delays and inefficiencies. By understanding these 7 common procurement mistakes and implementing our discussed solutions, you can enhance your procurement strategies, save money, and maintain efficient operations. Remember, effective procurement is about more than just placing orders. It's about bridging the gap between your needs and what suppliers offer, ensuring a smooth and successful operation. And that brings us to the end of this episode. We've discussed 7 common procurement pitfalls and how to avoid them to streamline your operations and save money. We hope you found this information valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more insights from UpKeep. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.